In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links in Miro. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just organizing your thoughts, adding links to your Miro board can be an essential skill to help keep everything connected and easy to access. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, go ahead and open up your Miro board. If you're new to Miro, don't worry. Once you're in, it's a visually rich platform designed for collaborative work, where you can brainstorm, plan, and organize all in one space. Miro boards are akin to a limitless digital canvas, providing you with ample space to lay out all your projects or ideas with ease. You'll see that it's user-friendly and intuitive, making it a breeze to handle and perfect for our task today. Once you're on your Miro board, shift your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find a vertical toolbar filled with all sorts of tools and options. This toolbar is your main navigation pane, and today we'll be focusing on how to seamlessly incorporate links into your projects. One of the tools you'll find there is dedicated to sorting out text and visuals, which is precisely what we'll need. Now, scan the toolbar on the left until you find an icon labeled with a capital T. This T icon stands for text, and this is what allows you to insert text boxes anywhere on your board. Click on the T icon and then choose where on the board you'd like to add your link by clicking the diagram area. This action will allow you to place your text box where you can later paste your link. Once your text box is set on the chosen area of your board, it's time to paste the link you want to add. Simply click inside the text box you've just created and paste your link there. You can do this either by right-clicking and selecting Paste from the context menu, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V if you're on a Mac. Once pasted, your link should be active on the board. It's just as simple as that, and that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily incorporate valuable resources into your Miro board to enhance your collaboration and information sharing. Remember, by centralizing links within your board, you boost your organization's overall efficiency and ensure that all necessary information is accessible at the click of a button. Whether you're directing team members to useful resources or simply compiling references for a project, these skills are invaluable. Thanks for joining today's tutorial on adding links in Miro. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy creating, and see you in the next video.